Baby! Babe, there you are! Hey! What are you doing? You didn't come home! So I was worried. I was looking for you. I was calling you and texting you and calling all those people from your work, your family. I called all of them. Nobody knew. Why? What is going on? Can you please wait? Take this jacket. Yeah, it's warm inside. Just take it. I mean, look at the weather. It's rainy and it's cold outside. And you are sitting here at a bus station. Alone. And it's about to get dark. Hello. This world is dangerous. I mean, the people are dangerous. You never know. I was running around, just looking for you, looking after you. I mean, it's 1 hour. And you usually don't do this. Okay, that's why I had this feeling inside of me that something is wrong. And that's why I had to find ways. I had to find you. Because nobody knew where you are. No, you know, the car, our car is somewhere else. That's why I had to go run around. First I started in the park, then I went to the city. No, I don't have an umbrella right now. Because I was so focused on finding you. But whatever. It's not that important. It's not about me. What's going on? Hey, look at me. I'm listening. I'm just calling an Uber right now. But I'm listening. It's important because I have to get you out of this cold. Okay, it's done. I'm listening, honey. You are sad? Why are you sad? Oh. No. That is absolutely not true. This question, honey, come here. I'm holding you real tight. I am here. I got you. And I won't let you go. I don't know how this question was popping up in your head, but I truly know that this is not true. The question to ask yourself, if anybody would miss you if you are gone, it made you sad. I mean, it's a deep question, right? But why are you sad? Just from the perspective of you, like leaving this earth. Of course, the right ones would miss you. 'Cause you are a big part. And I can tell that definitely from my perspective that you, if it would be the case, okay, of course I would miss you. I wouldn't even know what to do without you. And I will be sad, full of pain, if you weren't here anymore. I know. But listen, honey, it's not that time now. We are young, and we should live our life to the fullest and enjoy it every single second. And don't worry about those things in the future. I mean, it's clear. We all have just a limited time on this earth. We should embrace it. We shouldn't waste our time by thinking about stuff that doesn't matter, or about things we can't even control. I mean, there are some possibilities to live longer if you, for example, eat healthy and do some workout and stuff, have a good mindset. It's possible, but someday in the future it's done. But you know what? We're gonna make sure that we have a nice, legendary, a fulfilled life where literally everything was beautiful. And those moments where we were sad, mad, angry, full of pain, it made us stronger, so we could appreciate the success and the peak of the mountain. And to be honest, honey, look at me. I know what you mean. I asked myself these questions for quite some times in the past, and I realized that this is the right attitude to have towards it. Someday it will end. It's okay. It's okay. It's just part of being a human. It's, but you gotta protect your energy from those people asking you these questions that make you sad. Obviously, these people, they just focus only on these things. That's why they are unhappy, okay? And don't even live the life. They just waste their time. Huh? I got you. I'm holding you tight. Don't worry. I'm here. We are all still learning, so it's okay. I mean, I know you have those issues sometimes, yeah. You're a nice heart, and you don't like to be, yeah. You don't like to say your real and true opinion against all these other people. I know that. So if they say something bad or mad about you, you just take it instead of protecting yourself. That's why I'm here to help you get this iron lady power, So whatever is coming, you're gonna fight back, and I'm helping you to fight back. Don't worry. I love you. And please listen to me. Don't do this ever again, okay? Not text me or telling me, hey, okay, I'm coming home later. I mean, I was worried. The whole time. It's okay. You don't need to say sorry. Don't apologize. I'm here. I got you. I found you. God brought me to you. I mean, I was praying. I was praying and looking for you. I mean, the city is big. So many different places. And some voice in my head was saying, I gotta go straight, 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 and more, maybe to the bus station, maybe to the train station, and somehow I was led to you. You know what that is? That means that our hearts are connected. That you and me, okay? That you and me are this. Can you see this? What I do with my hands? This. We are like a unity. We are a team. More than that. We are family. We are just... okay? But I think at the end of this day, it's good that we talked about it. Okay? This question right there is a legitimate question, for sure. No worries. But don't focus on that. Focus on being in the here and right now, so we can create the future together and live it. Embrace it. Have fun. And use the given time that we have. And even if I can tell you, honey, look at me. You and me, nobody, nothing, not even the gods above. No, nothing can separate our souls, our heart, our love. This is forever. This is infinite. So that's all I can tell you right now. And over there I see the Uber. Uber driver's coming. And I want you to get back home. I will make sure that you are warm. Just keep my jacket on. And at home I will make a soup, a quick soup, some tea, maybe some sweets, candies. I'm gonna bring you the whole package of comfortness, of sad and cold comfortness. And I'm going to make sure to make you happy, to give you reasons to be happy, to comfort you, that you know that everything is all good. Okay, nothing is wrong. You are healthy. Our families are healthy. It's all good. Okay, come, take my hand. Get up. We're going to... Yes, let's go home.